Hi guys!
Oh no!
Today we're going to be showing you how to repair a broken fidget.
Yeah, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to put the big balls inside the ball.
Next up, you're going to want to wrap your ball with this little slingy thingy. This is going to make the hole stay shut.
Next, it's time for the toilet paper.
Once that is done, we will need to put the tape. Once this is done, you're going to want to repeat it 5 times.
All done, and now it's a good fidget.
Is the stock on your Sharpfire stuck? Here's how to fix that problem. Look for this orange button at the bottom here. Press in. It should come apart.
Elsa came into the shop with a severed leg, broke off immediately after opening the box. Here we're showing replacing a hip joint with a plastic cocktail stick. A close-up detail of that, showing where I'm grinding the hell out of that joint. Here's the leg where I've drilled a hole within the hip joint so that the post can fit within, and applied glue and put Elsa in traction overnight. Disaster struck in the morning where the pin came out with the leg. Close-up detail of that happening. Super fun. After a brief swear session, I got back at it, and that was mostly it for Elsa. We got everything put back together, got her all glued together, got her all back in traction over the day. She recuperated, and here she is, all back and brand new, fully mobile, with a slightly shorter left leg.
Wypruła go, wyprała go i teraz go na
I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, and you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
Heaven help a fool falls in love. Ophelia, you've been on my mind, girl, since the flood. Ophelia, heaven help.
Okay, TikTok, I need you to do your thing. From one sad mom and one very sad little boy. This is Tiny Max. He is a sock monkey, and he is the very first stuffed animal that I ever gave to my youngest son. And today, a dog got him. As you can see, there's this. I know there are others out there, but they look different because this is almost 8 years old. And enough that they look enough different that I've looked online. A, it wouldn't be the same one, and B, they look different and he notices the differences. And he really wants his Tiny Max. Is there anyone out there who, I don't know, knows how to repair I know the odds of being able to repair this, because it's not like it's just a rip, like it's gone, are pretty slim to none, but I'm open to creative suggestions. I don't know if he needs a ninja mask or something to help keep this toy, but fix somehow. We have what were the eyes. So if there's anyone you can tag or know that could help. I feel like I've seen accounts that do repairs and stuff like that on here. I don't know if this is too extreme or if there's anything we can do. So please help save Tiny Max. Please.
Welcome back to another pivotal night of your thriving new career, where you get to really ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? What would my friends say? And most importantly, will I ever see my family again? We understand the stresses of a new job, and we're here for you. It's worth mentioning that due to your lackluster performance yesterday, your pay has been decreased by a substantial amount. Please enjoy the rest of your service. Great job. This completes your tasks for the night, and we'll see you back here again tomorrow.
Hey guys, I wanted to share a quick tip with you real quick. I've been using for, over a decade now. If you ever find yourself having to use the screw trick, I want to say it's probably the first customizing tip I ever learned well over a decade ago. And basically it's where you replace a peg that's been torn off, like this, at the bicep usually, and you replace it with a screw. The issue you run into though is after you've got your hole drilled here, when you go to insert your screw, generally your screw's way too long. And if you were to put this all the way into the right, exit, it's gonna go into this disc here and lock up your arm, which is something you don't want. So what you have to do is cut the screw shorter. Now this is gonna blow your mind. Not a lot of people can handle this or afford this, but it's a Ziploc bag. If you take a Ziploc bag, when it's time to cut your screw, size it up correctly. We're going to need a little threading for this one. Wrap it and clip. And then, boom, you haven't lost anything. Nothing's gone flying into your eyeballs. Look, hopefully you're wearing your protective goggles, but you haven't lost anything. And now this can go in the trash, and this can go in the arm to fix your figure. Hope that helps. Y'all take care of each other.
Let's talk about our main protagonist, Frodo. He's supposed to talk and actually light up, but he doesn't work at all. So let us take him apart and see what we can do. So it looks like Frodo has minimal corrosion, but let's put new batteries in and see if he works. So Frodo is very finicky. I had one set of batteries in, and he kind of worked, and then I was like, well, I'll just change them again, and he totally works. So let me put this back together, and we'll see what we have. All right, and here's Mr. Baggins.
Power can be held in the smallest of things.
And there you have it. Frodo is fixed.
Thank you.